Welcome back. Welcome back with a brand new video. So guys, today guys we are here to explore Hyde Park because there was a fun fair at Hyde Park. So guys, look. Ah, peekaboo. Hello. So Fatma.
Hi guys! Today we're actually at Hyde Park.
No, this is not Hyde
Yes,
Park.
it is.
This is giraffe.
Not giraffe, llama. This is the llama. Not a giraffe. Yes, Mama.
मम्मा ये जो पाकिस्तान का मशहूर जानवर है वो तुम्हारे खो रहे लामा आई थॉट लामा दी ब्रांड क्या है लामा लाम so guys we
Guys, we are now going to the Hyde Park and I'll show you in a second.
Not go on the right road.
so guys so मम्मा एक सेकंड ऐसे कैमरा पकड़े जरा मैं अपने कपड़े दिखा दूं ऐसे कैमरा ऐसे पकड़ना है यार हाथ से मम्मा ऐसे पकड़ते हैं यार ऐसे आते बस यार ऐसे नहीं पकड़ना मम्मा आपको पकड़ना भी नहीं आता
नहीं पकड़
बदतमीजी करोगे तो
मम्मा यार ऐसे नहीं पकड़ते हैं ऐसे वीडियो खराब हो जाती है यार आपको ऐसे पकड़ते हैं यार so guys this is my new shirt from and this is my
one from one.
From
one and
Pakistan. You're
from Pakistan so guys this is Fatma
using Pakistani brand.
so guys we love Pakistan so yeah so guys look that way so guys let's see where's the entrance of Hyde not Hyde High School because I'm from Hyde High School now I came back to London because I didn't like it was too far so guys Hyde Park I think so. I'm in forest. Oh, guys. Fatma, what's your experience? Fatma, tell us your experience.
Guys, we are going for an adventure to Hyde
Oh,
Park.
there's one problem, Fatma. You are not allowed.
Basil bhai,
Mama, Fatma is not allowed inside.
I'm not playing.
I'm also not playing. So, guys, see, and I'm wearing a black glasses and I also can't see anything. Into. ये देखिए ये हमारी माँ जी हैं अस्सलाम वालेकुम मामा अस्सलाम वालेकुम मामा गाइस मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं अपनी आने को उतार
कुछ
लूँ
काट गया.
हाँ गाइस फातिमा और फातिमा के ड्रामे आते साथ फातिमा को फातिमा को हाथ के अंदर कुछ ना काट गया है so guys let's see where's the like no entry guys I think so this park is my big park Hyde Park हाँ गाड़ी हमारी आ सकती है guys I think so it's like a zoo something वो लाइन look the squirrel अब जाना कहाँ को है where are they going Fatma Laina
Oh,
you're
going
going
back to that place where we came.
हमने जाना है, ये हमारा मैप है और हम खड़े हुए हैं, हम यहाँ खड़े हैं,
हम यहाँ खड़े हैं, हम फ्लावर गार्डन भी जा सकते हैं।
हम यहाँ खड़े हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। So guys, look, woods. Guys, it's like when I came at night, like when we see this garden, not garden, it's a park. In night, it's scary. God, that's amazing. Fatma's saying, guys, it's amazing. Okay, what are you saying then?
It's a maze. We need to figure out.
Maze. Oh yes, it's a maze. Okay, tell.
It's a maze. We have to figure out where we have to end up. We have
End
to
up.
find the treasure.
End up.
Yeah, Basil,
Okay, tell. Okay, tell. Okay, I know it's a maze.
Let's see.
Let's go to children's playground. And we also have ball. यहाँ क्या करना है?
Excuse me. Yeah. Do you know where the play area like swing?
Yeah, just follow it all the way down.
So-
दूसरी क्लासेस की तो टूटने लगी
मामा ने आपको तोड़ देना है।
आपको करना
Fatma, now where are we going? कौन? फातिमा, इधर आओ। अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Which way should we go? This way or that way?
Nice.
I'll go for that way.
Let's go. भागो।
No play area there.
Guys, we also don't have football. Something is over there. Like
It's in our home.
this play area.
Mama, there is a play area.
मुझे मिल गया प्ले एरिया। We are coming over here first time. We don't know where to go. We don't know where are swings. So it was sunny, so we came over here. Fatma, play area. Play.
Finally.
इसके अंदर बैठो।
Possibly don't give it too high, please.
So guys, now let's give a Fatma. नहीं इधर बैठो।
Sit here. No. Sit with me. Sit with me.
तो अब इनको हम झूला देते हैं।
That's the way.
आज अब इनको जरा तेज देते हैं।
I'm enjoying it. Yahoo!
मामा, आप जरा ऐसे कैमरा पकड़ती है, मैं तो इनको तेज हूँ। अगर आप इसको उल्टा भी करेंगे ना या सीधा करेंगे तो वीडियो नहीं सही बनेगी।
ठीक है।
Mama, would you like to give me a swing?
Basi, don't be crazy.
You don't have to stand. Honey, I'm getting you right now. Possibly leave and I don't want to get out. अभी एक सेकंड छोड़ दो। अभी एक सेकंड छोड़ दो हमें। मम्मा एक सेकंड हमें स्टॉप करा दे।
Stop!
आजो, लेना आजो।
फातिमा ये कैमरा ऐसे पकड़ना है, ना सीधा करना है, उल्टा करना है, सीधा ऐसे पकड़ना है। आ जाओ ये
Guys, we're gonna go from here. Basketball. If I hold the camera, who's gonna play? I'm gonna play.
मामा इधर आए, कैमरा मैन इधर। हमारा ऐसे कैमरा पकड़ना है, हाथों में वो कर रहे हैं।
Mama,
मैं ऐसे ही करना है ना,
what is this?
दूसरी तरफ से जाना है, इस तरफ से पीछे।
ये ऐसे ही
Climb it up.
Mama, what? Shall I climb?
करना है। मामा गिर जाऊंगा ऐसे।
नहीं गिरते बेटे, आप रे गिर रहे हैं।
What is this?
चढ़ो ला इससे ऊपर। You need to climb it up.
ये ऐसे है। ऐसे है मामा। Yeah. Guys, now look, I'm doing it there. So guys, you have to subscribe. I'm on UK.
No. I can't do it, guys. I hate heights. I hate heights.
Huh? What to do? Now from here, shall I go down?
Please come.
Mama, now what to do?
Yes.
I can't stand on it. I need to be barefoot to stand on it. Mama, I want to swing. Oh, what's that? Mama, I want to swing. I want to swing. Mama, I want to swing. What's that on that?
Mama, आगे ये करना है।
How would I know?
Where's Fatma? और कुछ नहीं।
Go on then, it's up to you. You think it's your fault.
किसका? गाइस हाइड में पार्क में हो और हाइड में हो और आइसक्रीम ना हो क्यों ना हो आइसक्रीम तो हो जानी चाहिए। क्या क्या अच्छा
He's attempting.
बात बस है। मम्मा यार बहुत बोरिंग पार्क है यार, कुछ करने कोई नहीं है यार, मुझे बोरिंग लग रहा है।
That is interesting.
गिरा ना तो सर फटते हैं।
Bas Fatma, try that one.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है फरहान अंकल पार्क? कुछ करने कोई नहीं है मेरे लिए तो।
बड़ों के लिए बाकी नहीं है, बच्चों के लिए।
फातिमा ये टायर में कह रही है, टायर में। क्या फातिमा
I'm not sure.
यार एक तो जहाज बड़े हैं यहाँ पे।
Sandpit.
far.
Mama sandwich. Mama sandwich.
Let's make a sandcastle and let's destroy our new shoes.
Mama sandwich.
नहीं वो तो नहीं है शायद 3 वीडियोस में आ चुकी है. फातिमा, go take this slide.
Mama, please something. I love something. Yes. Mama, please I like something.
अरे यहाँ पे इतने peekaboo.
Mama, please I like something.
क्या अम्मा guys, this is park for baby, not for us. Like, I can't do anything over here because what shall I do on this slide? Let's have this. Fatima, come. Like, cameraman, stand over here. I want to do this. मामा कैमरा पकड़े यार आके एक मामा पकड़ ले एक सेकंड कैमरा और एक सेकंड कैमरा पकड़ ले चल
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Mama, I'm stuck.
You need to be stuck.
Butterfly.
मेरे लिए पार्किंग बना गया हमारा जूम करके तुम्हें जा अलाय ना सही इंजॉय कर रही है हमें तो मौका ही नहीं मिल रहा Guys, as I can't enjoy in this park, I can't have a swing over there because it's for baby, not for me. I am a young man, I'm a YouTuber. Mama, this is all sandy.
Mom, please stop copying. This is all sandy.
This is all sandy. Yes, got lost then.
Just get lost.
Let's. I was
Hold
like,
on before you.
why?
Because you're a baby. That's why.
Ah.
Mama's gonna be dramatic at you. Sandy, 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 sandy. It's so sandy. It's so sandy.
Let's have a slide now. या इतना देर कर लिया है वहाँ थोड़ा और क्यों किया जी ओ ना करो तमीज से लो मैंने मारना है
Whoa, you're scared of a slide. Scared you got? Mama, I'm gonna come by this. Shall I
भाई
try?
बहुत ही सुस्त स्लाइड है
Like it,
ना
like
रुक
it,
मत
like it.
क्या क्या
Are you sure?
yes I'm very much sure do it
Are you sure?
yes do do
Alana, can you do this?
oh no आत्मा करके तो देखो क्या ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा करके तो देखो
Up slide, look.
बस राइट राइट ना पकड़े यार ये हम जैसे लोगों की काम बात होती है बस कैमरा पकड़
देख सके ना पकड़े।
हाँ तो कर लो
माँ कहीं गिरा?
नहीं गिरती वैसे So let Basil try first.
Yes. But this try first.
अगर तो गिरा तो हड्डियां टूटेंगी ठीक है मैं
नहीं
सिर्फ
बेटे
आप लोगों
तुम
के
इतने
लिए कर रहा हूं।
लंबे हो कि तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है उसकी
I am only doing this for Hamar UK public so don't forget to subscribe like and share
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
bye
You didn't do it.
ये तो हुआ भी नहीं मम्मा
Something. I'm gonna try it again and do it more.
greenery check greenery guys
ध्यान से गिरना नहीं है
Mama, My basketball, please don't stand you.
Please don't stand you. Check करो. Yes, I'm standing. ऐसे तो चुगलियां भी नहीं करते.
What is it?
Yeah, nothing. Guys, now you guys will tell us in comment box that now where shall we visit, and like you said, now I am thinking that we should go to beach, Blackpool. So guys, tell us in comment, Blackpool beach or some like Blackpool or music concert, not music concert. No, I don't like music concert. Okay, we will go to Blackpool. Guys, it's now 5th or 2nd plane. $25x zoom करके दिखाया मैंने. पानी का व्यू दिखा. अभी फातिमा is gonna try this tire. मैं इसके अंदर जो ट्राई करना है. Now Fatma is trying.
Not the way she is.
Mama ice cream खानी. आप भी आ रही हो?
Okay, now.
हाँ, ये बनता है हमारा तीसरा जहाज. मामा तीसरा चौथा जहाज है.
Jump it on, Fatma. आगे चलो.
It seems so boring.
We are now done with that park. We are going to another park now. It's kind of a maze. Fatma, I am tired now. You tell where to go. Banana Moon, this way.
Banana moon.
Banana Moon, no. Banana Moon. Banana Moon.
Banana moon. Banana moon. Banana na na na. Let's go there.
Let's see what's going over there.
Here or there?
Here or there?
This looks pretty. And that looks pretty.
Guys, dog without. So guys,
This is a real maze. We need to figure out.
what shall we figure out? What to do over here?
I'm going to take it.
There's so much greenery. Oh. purplish. No, it's kind of purple or black versus green. Okay, good for you then. God. Oh, what's that? Oh, basketball court. Fatma, there's basketball ball court. What's that? It's a dog, Fatma.
Yeah, but there was a small animal there. Are we ready to basketball?
It's not basketball, Fatma. काटेगा बड़ा बुरा. Come back, Fatma. I am in the flowers that bloom.
Mama, come here.
Mama, come here. Guys, we are in Fatma. We are in forest.
Yeah, we are. It looks like a... What?
बातें कर लो.
Okay, guys.
So, Fatma, tell that. Let's make sense of
It
all.
has been vastly increased. Let me read it. Hyde Park Community Orchard has been designed, planted, and it's cared for with the people help of local people. It is hoped that the orchard will not only be a fabulous place for wildlife and provided food for the local community, but be a place of learning, making friends, and sharing new skills. There's a lot going on the list in the orchard. Be very quiet and singing, humanity, munching, listen.
Listen, cheap, stairs, touch.
Sheep, smell,
Come,
buzz. Mama, Basabay, let's go there, Basabay.
guys. I'm not going.
Mama, please.
I'm tired.
Mama, please.
I think let's go back to home. Guys, this is for today.
Guys, I actually discovered something that is like, you can see, it says, look out for the Wildlife Discovery Trail. So it's saying us to, if you pick these fruits, if you find any of them fruits, we can discover the Wildlife Discovery Trail. So I really want to discover it. We have until 6 o'clock, so we can discover it. Come on. Because I can see the birds chirping. So it might be, I think, hey, Mama, I'm gonna go there.
You hear the rustling of leaves?
Yeah. Like,
Yes. Alina,
just, Mama,
Idhar aao.
I think this discovery trail, it needs to be get on there.
camera is over
So
here,
guys,
sister.
we're actually gonna do that. We are gonna discover the trail. Of
Okay,
the
let's
discovery.
discover.
So let's go. Basra, you go over there. I'm going there. Mama, you stop. Mama, you Basra, you.
No, I'm not going alone. I'm coming with you because I can't go anywhere. I can't go. I can't go alone. Guys, we
Mama, we
found a
found the first
treasure.
clue. We found the first clue. It says it's in hieroglyphics.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphic is the version of writing. Looks confusing, but it isn't writing. I made this poem up.
Can you, Fatma? Look the footstep. Fatma, steps.
Oh yeah, guys, we found some footsteps in our clue too.
Guys, we are investigating something.
Guys, we're actually investigating the discovery of wildlife animals.
Okay. Fatma, there could be snake over here. Fatma, what's this? Community space.
Okay.
Where to go now?
Mama, can you give my glasses? My investigation glasses. Thank you. Guys, these are my investigation glasses. Come on.
Read out the caption what has been written here.
From where? We have done.
Yeah, we
It's
read it.
in community space.
Yeah, we have read it.
Oh, it's the way to toilet.
What?
Oh, it's way to toilet over there.
Oh, Mama, there's animals. That's not the way to toilet.
I am not going to do it.
Let's come from there then.
I'm going from there.
Fatma, there could be snake.
Oh, I discovered something new. I discovered something new.
She discovered something new. Fatma coming. Wait for me.
What is this, bro?
I don't know, bro.
I have no idea, but we can actually go around it.
This is this.
Community has animals and families.
Community Orchard Hot Park.
Animals and families.
I spot another plane.
I think this is the sixth plane you have spotted. Okay, go. I'm actually getting bored of this. I'm gonna go for my third clue in the world.
Fatma, what's there?
That's mean this is our second clue. We need to find out third. No, this is our third. We need to find out. Come on, investigator. Just come on.
Fatma, we have done with this. Like when we were coming from here.
Guys, what? I think we just came back.
We just came back because we have been over here.
No, we're not.
Look, remember when Mama was talking with someone on the call?
No, we are not.
Look, we
No, this
have.
is a discovery. The first time I did. What? This,
Now let's
we are
explore
actually the
something.
explorers, so we're gonna explore more.
I know about Hyde Park.
Plants.
So Fatma's statue.
On the courtroom.
Oh, Fatma, one
Yeah,
I
I'm
also.
gonna read it. Okay, let's see. The Garden of Tranquility officially opened July 2005 by Consuela Joe Kippigan and Mrs. Angela Woodruff. A place to be remembered. They didn't put to be remembered.
Now what to do, Fatma?
I need to see that.
Fatma,
Yeah, let me read it. It's the same, bro. I think it's the same. Come on.
are we done?
Not yet.
Are we done?
Not yet.
Are we done?
Not yet. We have no time to
I'm tired. I need to have some ice cream,
explore.
some Pepsi, KFC burger, Mighty Zinger.
We need to explore.
I'm going back because nobody's over here. Bye. Come quickly. Banana moon. Parking.
I can see some, Mama. I can see some animals.
They are not animals. They are human.
I saw animals.
Oh, Fatma.
Birds chirping.
Fatma, bring me a Mighty Zinger.
Sophie,
Fatma, bring me a KFC Mighty
you
Zinger.
can't even eat it because it's not halal.
I'm hungry, Fatma.
You can't eat it.
Fatma, what's over there?
Let me have a look. Investigation starting.
Oh, यहाँ से तो मैं- Fatma, time to go back. Yes.
Mama, I need my investigation bag.
There's a snake over here.
No, no.
Yes, it is.
I think I found it. I found it. It's must be gone. The discovery trail must be gone. We need to find out the wildlife.
Fatma,
It looks like a snowball. Hello, dog. You're cute. Cute. Investigation. Is this? It is.
what's this?
Follow me, investigate.
Fatma? Detective Fatma?
Yeah. We have no time to talk. We need to explore. Explore, explore, explore.
वो लोग कहाँ हैं?
Explore the trail. That's the way the discovery trail must begun. We need to follow the trail.
So guys, we are lost with Fatma's glasses, Fatma's
Guys,
bag.
my bag and my glasses are lost. So we need to find it.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's go first then.
We're hunting for treasure.
Glasses! Glasses, where are you?
No, it's over here.
I look that way, you look that way.
Why Fatma's glasses? What's this? Oh, I found Fatma's glasses. But guys, I know. But I will hide it somewhere else and tell Fatma that I didn't find it. Okay then. We're gonna have reaction. No! No! Let's hide this glasses.
I found something, come here.
Fatma, Fatma, this like I saw over there your glasses, but they are not over there right now.
What?
I don't know why, but they are not over there.
They can't be,
I'm not joking. You can also see.
but they can't be gone.
I don't know, but if you will go over there, you can see there's no glasses anymore.
What?
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Where did it go then?
How would I know? It's your glasses are mine. You should know.
Oh no, my glasses are gone. Where are they? I just hide it over there.
Where is it then?
I don't know.
I think
I
so.
really lost my glasses.
Fatma, goose.
Goosebumps.
Eh.
Let me have a closer look. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you hide it?
Why shall I hide your glasses?
Because we were actually pranking the YouTuber with hiding them ourselves. But did you hit it?
No, I didn't. Why shall I hide your fake glasses? If I would sell it, they will be in like the price of them would be £1.50. Okay, let's see your bag because it's raining. Guys, as you guys know,
Did you have hair? Mama.
rain, rain, go away. Little Basil wants to play. Come on another day.
Mama.
So guys, now we're ending the video here. So guys, like, shall I tell Fatma with her glasses? So guys,
What? You hit it!
yeah, guys, look, she's hitting.
He hit it! He hit my glasses! He's the baddest kid in the universe!
So guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
Ready?
Hi guys, so
We actually went at the wrong place. We had to come over here. Oh,
guys, we are at Hyde Fun Fair Park. Here's the entrance.
excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where's our
It's from there. The entrance is from here. Guys, let's enter over here. So, Nutella. Guys, so we are at Fun Fair. Let's come over here. Fatma? क्या कह रहे? So guys, we are at wrong time and it's finished now.
But we can still go there.
Can we have one ride,
Cold.
please?
It's cold.
Close, बड़े ही वो बना आदमी हैं।
Can we go there?
क्या बात है? Mama, it's closed.
Please.
इसकी हमें टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी ना
नहीं मामा पीछे देखें 30 pence one play and 1 pound 4 play. It's not. Guys, let's have this. Guys, what's up to you? So guys, first we went to Hyde Park and we thought that it was over there, but it was not over there. Fatma, let's try that one. Is it closed also? All closed. Can we try this? Is it open?
£4.50 go it is.
What shall we do in it?
What?
Nothing.
Please.
So guys, you guys will suggest this or this. Fatma, this or this? This. Is this also left? So guys, we'll try this one. First we went over there, Hyde Park, and it was not like gray area. Then we came over here. So guys, I will also add that video in this.
Okay, give me 3 tickets.
मैं वीडियो बनानी है अंदर जाके.
Mama, 3 tokens per person.
Oh. हाँ, 1 pound for 1 person. 1 pound for 1 person.
आप भी हमारे साथ जाओगे? पर आप कौन सा?
Okay, so guys, we are going over here now. Excited, guys. क्या करूँ इसको मैं?
आपकी टोकन है मम्मा ने दे रखी है।
गीला होगा उसने कहा भी है डैम पहले कि मेरे को
डैम क्या होता है?
गीला
मुझे तो नहीं बताया।
अभी हाथ जा रहा
नहीं आता। You enjoy.
You got your token?
Yeah. Would you swap with some other
No, it's 3 tokens per person.
3 tokens per person?
Yeah.
Okay.
So in like we three, one person can go.
One person can go in with these 3 tokens.
Yeah.
Okay. So could you just swap it with somebody, some other tourist?
It's the same on all of them. It's 3 tokens per person.
No, we are saying that this is like dam.
Yeah, because it's been raining.
Yeah. So can they go and take some other swing?
Which swings?
This one.
नो दिस मामा ये सही है मामा ये सही है ये सही है
Okay.
Socks and
Have you got 3 tokens?
I'll get the other ones.
मम्मा ये क्या चक्कर है मतलब 3 पाउंड और दो
तुम अकेले चले जाओ
तो इन लोगों ने मेरे से गलत नहीं
अकेले चले जाओ 3 पाउंड से बाकी फातिमा और लेना वो ले रहे थे वो अकेले वापस जा भी नहीं सकते दोनों
चलें
यार तुम छोटा स्विंग ले लो ना वो अकेले अंधेरा
Guys, right now we are in this trampoline. Look. So guys. Maybe we'll also have slide. And my all socks are wet. I'm to have a slide. My pant is wet.
Okay, and this is the only ride open now. बाबा गए तो